Pit and Penny are out driving. It's Mr. Lemon.
And I want your car colors.
He turned our cars gray.
See ya, kids. Now our cars don't work.
I'm calling the police monster truck!
Hop in, kids.
We must catch the color thief!
Mr. Lemon is stealing more cars.
We need to stop him. Not if I stop you first.
The traffic light is gray. And it caused a traffic jam.
How will we get past?
Pit has an idea.
We'll go over the traffic jam. These nails will stop them.
I know what to do.
The sign is blocking the road.
We can jump over it. Oh no! It's a dead end!
We've got you now, Mr. Lemon!
Mr. Lemon is stealing the color from the police truck.
You'll never catch me now!
We can fix our truck there!
That's a great idea!
Let's add some pink!
And some blue! And finally black!
The police truck looks amazing. Now go catch Mr. Lemon.
You again? Take this!
Right back at you, Mr. Lemon!
Where's my color?
Quick, grab the color ray gun.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
Then you can have your color back.
Oh, thank you.
It's time to put all the color back. Everything's better with lots of color.
Please do not open the door to anyone.
Okay, Mom.
And don't answer the phone if you don't know the color.
Okay, Mom.
Pit and Penny are home alone. It's the phone! Huh? But you're not supposed to answer it!
Hello? Hello?
Is there anyone? Huh? We are not allowed to answer unknown numbers. So let's get to know each other. Are your parents at home? No.
Oh no! Don't talk to strangers.
I am your new neighbor. I'll bring you a cake now. Wow!
Let's better wait for our mom.
I am already an adult and I can serve tea myself.
That's not a good idea, Penny.
Look at this cake!
The stranger took Penny!
Oh?
Kids, we're home.
Oh!
It's Penny's dress-up shoe.
Oh! Penny! Pit! Where are you? Come right away! Our child has been kidnapped! Don't worry, I'll be with you soon. Oh! Oh!
Officer Pumpkin has an idea!
Gotcha, darling!
Let's go save Penny! Sorry, Pit, you have to stay home.
A ladder for you. Open the door, please.
That didn't work.
There's an epidemic in your area. Urgent vaccination is needed.
That didn't work either.
Ice cream! Who wants ice cream?
Quick, find Penny! You're safe now!
Dad!
Penny!
Do not answer unknown number. Don't open the door to strangers.
Thank you, officer.
Play nicely and don't open the door to strangers.
Pit and Penny promised to behave. There's someone at the door. Look through the peephole and see who it is.
Open up! I have candy!
Should Penny open the door?
We don't open the door to strangers.
Mr. Lemon has a sneaky plan. Now who is at the door?
Open up! It's your mom!
Mommy seems different. It's really Mr. Lemon dressed as Mommy. And he's up to no good.
I'm hungry!
Ew, that lollipop is covered in garbage. Penny is suspicious this isn't Mommy.
Okay, I'll cook something.
That's not how you make an omelet. And it's stuck to the pan.
Mom, why don't you try your tire iron?
Do you like it, Pit? He does like it.
You promised to wash my clothes.
Mr. Lemon doesn't know how to wash clothes.
Mom, maybe it'd be better.
Mr. Lemon lost his hat. Penny knows this isn't Mommy.
You're not our mom. I'm calling the police.
Run, Penny, run!
There is the stranger in our house. Help!
Mr. Lemon is breaking into the safe. It's full of expensive jewels. The police are here. Officer Pumpkin, arrest Mr. Lemon!
Do not open the door to strangers.
Now who's knocking on the door? It's the real Mommy! Hooray! Penny is helping some ducklings cross the road. Kit is helping too. Oh no, it's Mr. Lemon! And he's stealing a police car.
The ducklings are safe. Mission complete.
But Mr. Lemon stole your police car.
We need to catch him!
Penny knows who to call.
We need backup.
Officer Pumpkin is here to help.
Hey!
Hop in, Pit and Penny. Let's go catch that thief.
You can't hide from us.
Mr. Lemon has some tricks up his sleeve. They made it past the traffic cones.
Oh no! He's getting away!
How will Mr. Lemon get through the lake? He'll float across. Officer Pumpkin's truck won't float.
Oh no! We can't jump over it!
Officer Pumpkin has a plan. Don't hit all the buttons, Pit.
Please press this button.
Phew, that's better. Now the truck can drive across. A thumbtack will pop Mr. Lemon's getaway raft.
I surrender. Well done, kids.
But what about their car? Here's a new one they can use. Thanks, Officer Pumpkin.
Oh no! Without a siren, no one notices me! My siren is broken!
First, we need to unhook the broken siren.
Now we need to choose the right siren.
A siren should attract attention, not put you to sleep.
Oh.
Huh? No, the siren must flash. Thank you. Now I need to catch the criminal.
Oh no, Miss Apple is waiting for me.
Oh.
My car tire has burst.
Oh.
Oh,
Now, we need to choose the right wheel.
we need a larger size. Oh. Oh, now it's too big. Oh. Oh, hooray! My car is intact. Thank you. Oh. Oh.
My fire truck has broken down! My sprinkler is broken!
Now we need to choose the right water.
It won't put out the fire! Great! But the car hood is dented too!
Oh, We can turn your car into a new one.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
Let's do it together.
Hooray! My car is intact! Thank you! Oh!
We finally got everyone fixed and can go home!
Hey!
The family is playing frisbee. But where did Pit go? He's found a trail of candy. Pit, you don't know who left them there. Daddy, Pit needs you.
Get away from my son!
Daddy called 911 for help.
Never run away from your parents. Don't let strangers touch you.
You need to throw all that candy away.
And don't take anything from strangers.
Penny is riding her bike, while Pit plays with his squirt gun. Oh no, that stranger is back. He's offering Penny some ice cream. Don't take it, Penny. Pit, come quick.
Don't touch her! Stranger! Daddy!
The stranger is getting away again. What should they do if you're not here?
If your parents aren't around, call 911.
Baby loves balloons. The stranger is using it to trick Baby. Kids, Baby needs your help. Penny, do you remember what to do?
Go away, stranger! I'm calling 911!
Phew, Daddy's here. And so is Officer Pumpkin.
Don't let strangers touch you. Always call your parents and dial 911.
Don't worry, officer. They won't forget. It's Mr. Lemon. And he's stealing colors. He even stole Penny's green color. Tell Pit what happened.
My color was stolen.
Maybe Pit can paint on new color. That won't work. There he is again.
We will catch the thief of colors!
Where could Mr. Lemon be? Hello, son. Now Penny is golden yellow. Oh no! He stole the sun's yellow color! Be careful, Pit and Penny! He took the kitty's orange color.
I'll get your color back!
Come on, Pete!
Look! Yummy purple grapes! They turned Penny purple! But Mr. Lemon took the purple with his ray gun. Look! Red apples! Mr. Lemon stole the red color. Quick! Before he steals any more colors! Watch out, Blueberry! Mr. Lemon has all the colors now. Poor Pit. Now Mr. Lemon has too much color. Phew. Everything is back to normal. Except for Mr. Lemon. You're in trouble now, Mr. Lemon.
Penny! You haven't painted lemon!
What color will you use, Penny? All of them, of course! Pit and Penny are shopping with Daddy.
I'll be right back. Please don't wander away.
Penny, you should stay in the cart. Looks like Penny found the candy aisle. Careful! Oh, it's Mr. Lemon. What is he up to? He wants to steal all the candy. Hide, Penny! What will you do, Penny? Penny is leaving a trail of candy behind her. How smart!
Where's Penny? Ah!
Maybe Officer Pumpkin can help.
Penny's missing!
What do you think, Officer?
It was a candy thief.
There's a candy trail here!
This trail will lead us to Penny.
Let's see where it leads. Watch out, Penny. It's Officer Pumpkin.
Thank you both for your help.
Here's a reward for helping catch Mr. Lemon.